How to rent a car in Mexico City cheap, an easy full review, and honest experience. Renting a car in Mexico City can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. Here's my full, honest experience. Most people get this wrong, assuming renting is only available at airport counters with high prices. The surprising truth is online booking platforms and local agencies can save you hundreds of pesos. I booked my car online through a reputable platform, comparing prices, insurance options, and vehicle types. Booking in advance ensures availability and often better rates. I got a compact car ideal for city traffic at a fraction of the airport price. Pickup was smooth. I had all documents ready: passport, driver's license, and credit card. The car was clean, fuel tank full, and the staff explained rules like tolls, parking, and local traffic regulations. Driving in Mexico City is manageable with some preparation. Avoid peak traffic hours, use GPS or map apps, and beware of local parking restrictions. Insurance is crucial. Basic coverage is often included, but I added collision protection for peace of mind. Returning the car was easy. I refueled, checked for damages, and returned it on time. There were no hidden fees, and the process was faster than I expected. In conclusion, renting a car in Mexico City can be cheap and stress-free if you book online, compare options, and understand local rules. It's a great way to explore the city and surrounding areas at your own pace.